Hi, Snuggies. Liz. There we go. There's little Jazz. Hello, little Megan. There's Jazz. There's Patrick. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna fall. Okay. Let me take you their faces. Let me take you to those little faces. Hi. Hi. You can do it. You can do it, Miss Megan. Hi, Bentley. Hello, Jazzy. Oh, no, that's Megan again. I'm getting them all mixed up. Hi, Patrick.
Yeah, their faces did change.
Oops.
That's
Guinness. That's Bocce, I think. Hi. I know. Now I gotta get up here again. So I see you this way. Well, the neighbor dogs are a pain in the neck, huh? Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
it doesn't bother them at all.
Hi. Bosky, that's it. Bosky. Hi, Bosky. Hi. Hi, Bosky. Hello, Patrick. Hello, Jazzy. And who's that? Is that Kachi? Hello, babies. Miss Ara? Oh, and your little tail is wagging. Huh, Jazz? Yeah, your little tail is wagging. Hi, baby Bentley. Oh, baby Patrick. Baby Bentley says it's time for nap. Baby Patrick says it's time for exploring. Huh. And what you got on your nose, silly, silly girl? What do you got on your nose? Oh. You gonna go check it out, huh, Jazz? Yeah.